channel. My channel is Aceh Espanto Associate. Alright, you know what? Where I am here now, I'm not, in Middle East, like, Saudi Arabia or Medina or Mecca. No, I'm not. But I just in front of the mosque, the beautiful mosque, like, in Middle East. Can you imagine that? After tsunami disaster, 2004, the tsunami, a lot of people read or build the beautiful mosque, like, Oman Mosque. It's totally very, very late by, Oman. But can you imagine that? This totally awesome. It's totally very, totally beautiful because, like, Medina Mosque. The owner, who the owner of this mosque? This owner of the mosque is Tunku Kashilini. It's created by their own money. No one can help him. Just because this village Lamsapur doesn't have like mosque. But this guy built this mosque for humanity, for the people who want quick, like, praying against God and then doing a prayer 5 times every 24 hours come here. But maybe on starting month a lot of people come here, but only for doing Taweh prayer, but also Idul prayer. So if you not come to Indonesia, don't forget to come to Aceh, because Aceh is totally very a lot of mosques, lot of beautiful mosques like Masjid Raya Baitul Rahman, Oman Mosque, and a lot of mosques here in Banda Aceh after tsunami Easter 2004 December 26 after at the time. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, because I'm going to comment a lot of the best or the good, the beautiful thing, like videos talking about tourism and then anything about Aceh, and then including Indonesia. So it's the first time I would like to describe or to promote Aceh continent about tourism for around the world. For around the world, we've got a lot of tourists got a lot of foreigner come to Aceh or Indonesia. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Alright, let's speed it up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.